Understanding Scream and Disbelief, Unpacking Emotions and Expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that vividly captures human emotion: scream and disbelief. This expression is not just about the words but the stories and feelings behind them. So, let's dive in and unpack its meaning together. Scream and disbelief combines two powerful words to express a profound reaction. Scream refers to a loud, sharp cry, often emitted in extreme emotion, such as fear, anger, or joy. Disbelief, on the other hand, is a state of being unable to accept something as true or real. When put together, scream and disbelief portrays a moment where someone is so shocked or stunned by an event or information that their immediate, visceral reaction is to cry out loudly, not out of fear necessarily, but from an overwhelming inability to accept or understand what's happening. This phrase is used to describe a very intense emotional reaction. It's not about everyday surprises or minor shocks, but those rare moments that truly shake us to our core. For instance, witnessing an unbelievable event, like an unexpected victory or a miraculous occurrence. Receiving news that is so surprising or outlandish that it challenges reality. Scream and disbelief is a vivid, expressive way to convey the depth of someone's shock or astonishment. It's often used in storytelling, news reporting, or in conversations to emphasize the dramatic impact of an event or piece of information on a person or group of people. To better understand how to use scream and disbelief, let's look at a few examples. 1. In a narrative, when John saw his long-lost dog bounding towards him, he screamed in disbelief, unable to grasp the reality of the moment. 2. In news reporting, the crowd screamed in disbelief as the underdog team scored the winning goal in the final seconds of the match. 3. In everyday conversation, I screamed in disbelief when I found out I had won the lottery. It just didn't seem possible. These examples show the phrase in action, highlighting its role in expressing a deep, often overwhelming, emotional response to something utterly unexpected or astonishing. Scream and disbelief is a powerful expression that captures a raw, unfiltered reaction to the unbelievable and the astounding. It's a phrase that speaks to the heart of the human experience, reminding us of those moments that leave us speechless, except for a scream. I hope this exploration helps you understand and use this expression in your English communications. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, thank you for joining me on this linguistic adventure.